6.3 from question number 15 to last. The question of 15 is find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Equation of tangent निकालनी है जो parallel रहेगी इस line के and perpendicular to this line के. Okay. First we have to find the point of contact. The equation of the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. From this equation the slope of the tangent dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2. Okay. The line is parallel to the given line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay. The slope of this equation, slope of the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to is minus a upon b. This is the formula, minus a upon b. So we can say minus 2 x is a is minus 2 by minus 1. It is equal to the 2. Okay. From the question dy over dx equal to 2. It means 2x minus 2 equal to 2. Now solve x equal to 2. The x equal to 2, then find the y. The y equal to, put the value of x in this. It is equal to the 2 square minus 2 into 2, 4 plus 7. It means it is equal to the 7. So now point of contact is 2. Point of contact equal to 2, 7. इस पॉइंट पर क्या बनेगा? टेंजेंट बनेगा. नाउ इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट. ओके, इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट. We know that the equation of tangent is y minus y naught equal to dy over dx or the slope and whatever f dash x minus x naught. Okay. So y minus y naught means y minus 7 and slope is 2 and x minus 2. Okay. So now solve. It is a y minus 2x minus plus 7 minus 4, it is equal to 3 minus 3. Okay. Now second one. This is the first one. Now second. The second equation is given that 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Okay. Slope of this line. Slope of the line. Same minus b by a. Sorry, minus a upon b. Minus a upon b. It is equal to the a is minus 15. It is 5 equal to 3. The slope of this is 3. So now just put dy over dx equal to 3. It means 2x minus 2 equal to 3. It means 2x equal to 3 to 5 by 5 and x equal to 5 by 2. Okay. 5 by 2x minus 2 equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Now the slope of the line M is this and perpendicular line. Okay. Now find the perpendicular to the line is, this is the 3 and the, इसको cancel करके दोबारा से M equal to 3. So now for the perpendicular line, it is equal to minus 1 by m. It is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now put 2x minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 3. Because not the tangent, it is a perpendicular line. The question given perpendicular to the line. Okay. Now solve. 2x equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 2. It is equal to the 5 by 3. Now x equal to 5 by 6. If x equal to 5 by 6, then y equal to, the equation of the curve is x square minus 2x plus 7. X square minus 2x plus 7. It is equal to the x square is 25 by 36. 2 multiplied by 2, 5 by 3 plus 7. Now solve y equal to 36 LCM. Solve by 36 taking LCM, it is equal to the 217 by 36. Now the point of contact is equal to 5 by 6 comma 217 by 36, xy coordinate. Okay, now equation of normal, equation of the required tangents. The equation of tangent equal to the y minus y naught. Y naught means 217 by 36 and m is minus 1 by 3 and x minus 5 by 6. Okay, now solve. It is equal to the multiply by 3, it is 3. Solve करेंगे y minus 217 by 36 equal to minus x plus 5 by 6. It is equal to the 3y and minus x plus 3y. It is equal to the minus 217 by 12. Okay, minus 5 by 6. इन दोनों को माइनस माइनस ऐड करेंगे तो वी गेट 227 by 12. X plus 3y 226. Now multiplied by 12 this side, 12x plus 36y equal to 227, which is the required equation of tangent. Okay. The question number 16. Show that the tangents to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the point x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. Okay. इस कर्व के जो टेंजेंट्स हैं इन दोनों पॉइंट्स पे क्या होंगे, पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. y इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ द कर्व इज 7x क्यूब प्लस 11. नाउ द स्लोप ऑफ द कर्व dy over dx इक्वल टू 21x square. Okay. The slope of the curve at the point x equal to 2. Slope of curve at x equal to 2. It means it is equal to the 21 into 2 square, 84. Okay. And next the slope of curve. दोनों पर हम लोग कर्व का स्लोप निकालेंगे. अगर स्लोप सेम आ जाएगा इसका मतलब दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. टेंजेंट्स आर पैरेलल. इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू द 84. अब दोनों ही केस में स्लोप सेम है. एट द पॉइंट x इक्वल टू 2 एंड x इक्वल टू माइनस 2. सिंस क्या हो जाएगा, द स्लोप्स ऑफ द टू टेंजेंट्स are equal. Therefore they are parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other. Okay. हो गया. Next question number 17. Find the points on the curve y equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. स्लोप इक्वल होगा किसके, y कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट. द स्लोप ऑफ द कर्व y इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब. इक्वेशन ऑफ द कर्व y इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब. नाउ द स्लोप इट इज इक्वल टू द 3x स्क्वायर. ओके. नाउ द स्लोप ऑफ द कर्व इन द क्वेश्चन गिवन दैट स्लोप ऑफ द कर्व इक्वल टू द y कोऑर्डिनेट. Equal to the y coordinate of the point. Okay. So now slope is equal to the 3x square and y coordinate is y equal to x cube. It means 3x square minus x cube equal to 0 x square common, it is equal to the 3 minus x equal to 0. It means x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. Now find the y coordinate. So just y equal to x cube. If x equal to 0, then y is also equal to 0. The first point of contact is 0, 0. Next, if x equal to 3, then y equal to 3 cube. It is equal to the 27. The next point is 3, 27. There are the 2 points where is the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Okay. The question number 18, from the curve, for the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to power 5, find all the points at which the tangents passes through the origin. Find all the points. Okay, the passes through the origin means 0, 0. The y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to power 5. Now the slope of the equation curve dy over dx equal to 12x square minus 10x raised to power 4. Okay, and we know that dy over dx is also equal to the y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, the curve passes through the origin. The curve passes through the origin. Now the slope is y minus 0 upon x minus 0. It is equal to the y upon x. Just equate both. It means 12x square minus 10x raised to power 4 equal to the y upon x. And just put the value of y is 4x cube minus 2x raised to power 5 divided by x. Divide by this equal to the 4x square minus 2x raised to power 4. And here is 12x square minus 10x raised to power 4. Subtract this. 12 minus 4 is 8x square. It is equal to the minus plus 10, 8x raised to power 4. Okay. Now 8x square common. It is equal to the 1 minus x square equal to 0. 8x square equal to 0. It means x equal to 0. And the 1 minus x square equal to 0. It means x equal to plus minus 1. यहाँ से x के 3 कोऑर्डिनेट आए 0, +1 and -1. Now find the y coordinate from the curve. First, if x equal to 0, then the y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to power 5. Put x equal to 0, we get 0. The first point is 0, 0. Okay. Now the next, second, if x equal to 1, then y equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 raised to power 5. It is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. The second point is 1, 2. Third, if x equal to minus 1, then y equal to 4 into minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 raised to power 5. It is equal to the minus 4 minus plus 2. It is equal to minus 2. Now the second point is minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Now these are, therefore the required points are 0, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Next question number 19. 19 number question is, find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Okay. Parallel to x-axis means tan theta equal to 0. The slope is 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of the curve. Now differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. It means 2x. It is a 2y dy over dx minus 2 equal to 0. It means 2y dy over dx equal to 2 minus 2x. Okay, so dy over dx equal to 2 common 1 minus x divided by 2y. Cancel 1 minus x upon y. From the equation, the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. It means dy over dx equal to 0. यानी 1 minus x upon y equal to 0. Okay, it means इसका मतलब क्या होगा, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, the y equal to, just put in the graph, curve, equation of the curve. Put x equal to 1 means 1 square plus y square minus 2 into 1 minus 3 equal to 0. Y square minus 5 plus and minus 4 equal to 0. Y square equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to plus minus 2. Now the required points are first x equal to 1, y 2, and the next x equal to 1, y minus 2. There are the two required points, 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. Question number 20. The question number 20 is, find the equation of normal at the point am square am cube for the curve ay square equal to x cube. Okay. Ay square equal to x cube. Okay, find the points are am square am cube. Differentiate with respect to x. A 2y dy over dx. It is equal to the 3x square. It means dy over dx equal to 3x square upon 2ay. Okay. Now slope of tangent at point am square and am cube. It means 3 into am square whole square. X square means am square whole square. 2a by 2a into am cube. M की power 4 cancel m cube, a cancel, we get 3m by 2. Okay. Now the slope of normal, ये तो m हो गया. स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल क्या होता है, इसका जस्ट रेसिप्रोकेट minus 2 by 3m. This is the slope. Now equation of normal. At point am square minus this, यानी y minus am cube equal to minus 2 by 3m x minus am square. Now do cross multiplication. 3m, it means 3my minus 3am raised to power 4 minus 2x plus 2am square. At this side 2x plus 3my minus 3am raised to power 4 minus 2am square equal to 0. Simplify again. Take common am square. So we get 3m square plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of normal at point am square am cube. Question number 21. Find the equation of normals to the curve y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Equation of normals. Okay, first we find the point of contact. Y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 and x plus 14y plus 4. Okay, normal to this line. Now dy over dx. It is equal to the 3x square plus 2. Okay, this is the m. 3x square plus 2. and the slope of the normal, slope of normal at point to the curve at point xy. Okay, to the curve at the point xy. Okay, so it is equal to the minus 1 upon 3x square plus m plus 2. अगर m होता है तो ये होता है माइनस 1 बाई एम नॉर्मल का, तो माइनस 1 अपॉन 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2. फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन x प्लस 14y प्लस 4, द स्लोप ऑफ द नॉर्मल x प्लस 14y प्लस 4 equal to 0. From here, so slope of the normal. So what is the slope of the normal is minus a upon b means minus 1 by 14. Okay. Now equate these two. According to the question, slope remains the same. Minus cancel. Simplify 3x square plus 2 equal to 14. It means x square equal to 4. 12 difference x equal to plus minus 2. Okay. Now find y. The x coordinate is plus 2 and minus 2 and the y coordinate is, if x equal to 2, then y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. It means 2 cube 2 into 2 plus 6. Okay, 10, 18. It is equal to the 18. And the next, if at x equal to minus 2, then y equal to minus 2 cube 2 into minus 2 plus 6 minus 4 2, it is equal to the minus 6 minus 8 minus 1. Okay. So now the points of contact are 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. These are the points of contact. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal at point 218. At point 218. It is equal to the y minus 18 and slope is minus 1 by 14 and x minus 2. Now simplify this and get the equation 14y minus 14 into 18 252 minus x plus minus x plus 2. It means x plus 14y and minus 2 is, it is minus 254 equal to 0. And the next equation of normal at point minus 2 minus 6. Okay, the y plus 6, y minus minus 6 minus 1 upon 14 and x minus minus plus 2. Okay, 14y plus 84 minus x minus 2. It is equal to the x plus 14y 14y plus 86 equal to 0. These are the equation of normals, number 1 and number 2. Question number 22. Find the equation of tangent. Question number 22 is find the equations of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax at point 80 square 280. Okay, equation of tangent and normal. The equation of parabola equal to y square equal to 4ax. Okay, the slope of tangent at point xy. It is equal to the 2y dy over dx. Differentiate, it is 4x. Now dy over dx equal to 4a upon 2y. It is equal to the 2a upon y. Okay. Slope of the tangent at the point at square and 2at. Slope of the tangent at points 2at square 2at, at square and 2at. It is equal to the, just put y equal to 280. Y equal to 280. 2 cancel, it is equal to the 1 upon t. And slope of normal, just reciprocate negative of the reciprocal. Slope of the normal at point so and so is minus t. Okay. Now equation of tangent. At point at square 2at means y minus 2at 1 upon t x minus a t square. Okay, solve. Ty minus 2at square equal to x minus a t square. It means ty minus x equal to plus minus at square equal to 0. Okay. Now ty equal to x plus at square, or the ty you can write ty equal to x plus a t square. This is the equation of tangent. Now equation of normal. At points at square and 2at. Y minus 2at and the minus t, x minus a t square. Okay. So now y minus 2at plus xt minus minus plus, it means minus a t cube equal to 0. And xt plus y equal to 2at plus at cube. This is the equation of normal. Question number 23. Prove that the curve x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut the right angles if 8k square equal to 1. It means it is normal. Xy equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square equal to 1. Prove that the curve. The equation of the curve is x equal to, first equation is x equal to y square and second is xy equal to k. Okay. So now x is equal to y square. Just put in this. So x y square into y equal to k. It means y cube equal to k. Therefore y equal to k raised to power 1 by 3. Y equal to k raised to power 1 by 3. And x is equal to y square. It means k raised to power 1 by 3 whole square. K raised to power 2 by 3. The point of these two equations satisfied. The point of intersection of xy क्या हो गया? ये दोनों लिखेंगे यहाँ पर. Point of intersection, दोनों कर्व आपस में कहाँ पर काटेंगे? वो पॉइंट होगा k 2/3 x and y. This is the point. इस पॉइंट पे दोनों कर्व आपस में एक दूसरे को काट रहे हैं. Now differentiate first. It means x equal to 2y यानी y square equal to x 2y dy over dx इक्वल टू 1, यानी dy over dx इज इक्वल टू 1/2y। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, स्लोप ऑफ फर्स्ट m1। और सेम दूसरा है xy इक्वल टू k। नाउ डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ दिस वन विद रेस्पेक्ट टू k, वो सॉरी विद रेस्पेक्ट टू, यानी x dy over dx प्लस y इक्वल टू 0। ओके, dy over dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस y अपॉन x, इट इज m2। द स्लोप ऑफ फर्स्ट लाइन इज m1, दूसरा m2। फॉर नॉर्मल इट शुड बी द इक्वल टू द m1 into m2 इज इक्वल टू -1। नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, अगर ये नॉर्मल है तो m1 into m2 इज इक्वल टू -1, m1 इक्वल टू 1/2y एंड m2 इक्वल टू -y अपॉन x, इट इज इक्वल टू द -1। माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, y कैंसिल। ओके, तो 2x इज इक्वल टू 1। ओके, 2x इक्वल टू 1 मीन्स 2 times k रेज टू पावर 1/3। x की वैल्यू क्या थी, k रेज टू पावर 1/3 इक्वल टू 1। नाउ क्यूब बोथ साइड, टेक क्यूब बोथ साइड्स। 2k raised to power 1/3 to the whole cube is equal to 1 cube. It is equal to the 8k equal to 1. 8k square. 8k square equal to 1. Sorry, x equal to k raised to power 2/3. 2/3. Now cube, taking cube both side, it is cancel. 8k square equal to 1. Hence proved. यही प्रूव करना था। Okay. Next question. Question number 24. Find the equations of the tangent and normal to the hyperbola. X square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1 at the point x naught, y naught. Okay. The equation of the hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square equal to 1. Now differentiating with respect to x. It is equal to the 2x upon a square minus 2y upon b square into dy over dx equal to 0. Now dy over dx equal to 2 cancel, x b square x upon a square y. Okay. Now slope of the tangent at point x naught y naught. Again at point, हमको इस पॉइंट पे निकालना है x नॉट y नॉट। तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, b स्क्वायर x नॉट अपॉन a स्क्वायर y नॉट। दिस इज द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट। ओके, तो नाउ इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट। इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट एट पॉइंट x नॉट y नॉट, y minus y0 b square x naught upon a square y naught and x minus x naught. Now cross multiply a square y naught minus a square y naught square. Here is b square x naught minus b square x naught square. Okay, now taking one side. Okay, it is equal to the dividing by a square by b square, or take this side, a square y naught upon a square b square, and this minus b square x naught upon a square b square, and this side a square y naught square upon a square b square minus सभी को हमने डिवाइड कर दिया ए स्क्वायर बाई ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर से, तो क्या बचेगा वाई नॉट अपॉन बी स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स नॉट अपॉन ए स्क्वायर, वाई नॉट स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स नॉट स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर। ओके, इसमें से सब माइनस का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं पूरी इक्वेशन में, तो ये हो जाएगा वाई नॉट बी स्क्वायर, और यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा एक्स नॉट स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर माइनस वाई नॉट स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर, इट इज इक्वल टू द 1। ये किसके बराबर होता है 1 के। कब के इफ पॉइंट हम लोग लिख सकते हैं पॉइंट एक्स नॉट वाई नॉट लाई ऑन पैराबोला, लाई ऑन एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर माइनस, अगर इस पे ये पॉइंट लाई करते हैं इक्वल टू 1। दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट। ओके, नाउ इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल फॉर द स्लोप फॉर नॉर्मल, स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल, it is equal to the minus a square y upon b square x, reciprocate and take minus a square y upon b square x. Okay, and at point x naught y naught it is equal to this. Now equation of normal, y minus y naught and normal is minus a square x naught upon b square y naught, x minus x 0. Now cross multiply b square y naught minus b square y naught square minus a square x naught plus a square x naught square. Okay, now rearrange the terms and we get, या डिवाइडिंग बाई, पूरे को हम लोग डिवाइड कर देते हैं, ज़्यादा आसान है। डिवाइडिंग बाई ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर और एक्स नॉट वाई नॉट, इससे डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा वाई नॉट कट गया, सिर्फ क्या बचेगा यहाँ पर वाई। ठीक है, वाई अपॉन ए स्क्वायर। ओके, 3 टर्म कट गए, वाई नॉट कैंसिल हो गया, ए स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया, तो ए स्क्वायर एक्स नॉट लिख के ही करेंगे, ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर एक्स नॉट वाई नॉट प्लस ए स्क्वायर एक्स नॉट ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर एक्स नॉट वाई नॉट। पूरी इक्वेशन को इससे डिवाइड करना है। यहाँ भी लिख लेते हैं बी स्क्वायर वाई नॉट और नीचे लिखेंगे ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर और कैंसिल करेंगे, तो ये क्या बचा वाई अपॉन ए स्क्वायर एक्स नॉट माइनस बी स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया, एक ये कैंसिल हो गया, वाई नॉट अपॉन ए स्क्वायर एक्स नॉट प्लस यहाँ पर एक्स अपॉन बी स्क्वायर वाई नॉट और सेम कैंसिल एक्स नॉट अपॉन बी स्क्वायर वाई नॉट, सिंप्लीफाई हो गया वाई माइनस वाई नॉट अपॉन ए स्क्वायर एक्स नॉट, सेम एक्स माइनस एक्स नॉट अपॉन बी स्क्वायर वाई नॉट। दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द normal. This is the required equation. Okay. Question number 25. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to root 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. The equation of the curve equal to y equal to root 3x minus 2. Now differentiate. It is equal to the power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 3x minus 2 raised to power 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and d over dx of 3x minus 2. It is 3. It is 3 upon 2 root 3x minus 2. Now the slope from this equation, okay, the slope of the line is minus a upon b. Minus a upon b means minus 4 upon minus 2. It is equal to the 2. Now equate these two. 3 upon 2 under root 3x minus 2 equal to 2. Cross multiply 3 equal to 4 root 3x minus 2. यानी root 3x minus 2 equal to 3 by 4. Squaring both side. It means 3x minus 2 equal to 9 by 16. It means 3x equal to 9 by 16 plus 2. यानी 32 plus 9 41 by 16. It means x equal to 41 by 16 is 48. If x equal to 41 by 48, then y equal to, from this, y equal to under root 3 into 41 by 48 minus 2. Now solve. 3 123 minus 96 by 48. Okay. 1 it is equal to the 27 by 48, cancel by 3, 9 by 16. It is equal to the 3 by 4. Now the point of contact. Point of contact is x is 41 by 48 and y is 3 by 4. Now the equation of the tangent. Equation of tangent equal to y minus 3 by 4 equal to the slope is 2 and x minus 41 by 48. Now solve. Y minus 3 by 4 2x minus 41 by 24. Solve it. 48x, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 48x minus 24y equal to 23, which is the required solution. अपने से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 4y minus 3 by 4. 4 का मल्टीप्लाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इधर. 4 इंटू 2x माइनस 41 और 24 का इधर करेंगे क्रॉस. 24 इंटू 2 48x माइनस 41 बाई 24 और मल्टीप्लाई हियर 24. आप अपने से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इसको 6 काटेंगे 24y हो गया और ये 48x हो गया. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे यही आएगा. दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. द स्लोप ऑफ द नॉर्मल ऑफ द कर्व y इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3 sin x एट x इक्वल टू 0. ओके. y इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3. नाउ dy ओवर dx इक्वल टू 4x 3 sin x, sorry, 2x square plus 3 sin x. It is 3 cos x. Differentiation of this. Now slope of this at point x equal to 0. Just put x equal to 0. 3 cos 0. Cos 0 degree equal to 1. It is equal to 3. Now slope of normal minus 1 by m. It means it is equal to minus 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3 minus the D option is right. Last question. The line y equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to a curve x is y square equal to 4x at the point. ये लाइन इस पर किस पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट निकालना है जिस पे टच करेगी. y square equal to 4x. Now slope of this is 2y dy over dx equal to 4. It means dy over dx equal to 4 upon 2y, यानी 2 upon y. और इससे यहाँ से स्लोप क्या होगा, माइनस a upon b. स्लोप यहाँ से क्या आता है, माइनस a upon b मीन्स माइनस 1 a upon b. इट इज इक्वल टू द -1 एंड -1, b भी -1 होगा तो ये हो जाएगा स्लोप 1. नाउ 2 upon y इक्वल टू 1, y इक्वल टू 2. और अगर y 2 है तो x कितना निकलेगा, यहाँ पुट करेंगे y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x, 2 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x, x इक्वल टू 1. नाउ द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट इज 1, 2. The right option is 1, 2, A. The option A is right, 1, 2. Okay.